So DGT. Yep. Go to financial. Income statement is right here. Quarterly data is right here. Okay, so let's select it. Select the whole table. No overflow. And right here. Right click. Copy. Go to Microsoft. Open a new sheet. If you want to now increase the width of the column. Maybe I need that too as well. No, you don't need to start a new workbook, but just new sheet for it. You know, everything should be in the same workbook. Yes. Sure. Is that good? You need to copy it first before you can paste, right? Okay, here. Let me do it again. So just in case if you miss any of the step. So I'm on the balance sheet for target, right? So I select the whole table starting from the in million here. Very careful with the starting and the ending point. Right here, I pull it here, right? And then I need to copy it before I can do anything. So I right click, I need to copy.
Right, I'm
Yep.
doing that. I know how to do that.
Okay.
It won't actually transfer to my
Oh, okay.
It's just.
I will go down and check it. So, but anyway, let me finish my table. So I paste it. Oh, it is here. So I name it DGT balance sheet. That's it. Okay. Oh, by the way, we need to save it. You know. Sorry. Okay, we need to save it. Okay, here we go. Yep. Yeah. Let's work on the revenue. It is right here. The first row. The first row. Yep. Let's use the total revenue, for example. Yeah, let me highlight it. We work with Walmart first. So in order to make the total revenue chart, first of all, you need to highlight it. Okay, like here you see I select it, right? And then we go to insert. So you see quite a lot of things you can do with the insert. You have section for table, you have illustration, and then here we go, the charts, right? The charts right here. So you click on the column. Sometimes you may like line chart or pie chart or bar chart, you know. So over here, let's use a column. So click on column. There are a lot of settings, so you can play around. It will not hurt, you know. Let me click the very first one. Yeah, so how simple it is. Now we got the very first chart, total revenue. That's it. It is not perfect, but at least we can read it, right? Okay, I pick column. Again, I select it. I click insert. I go to column. And then the very first one, 2D column. You can use 3D, you know, things like that, but let's make it simple. So 2D column. So here's here's the total revenue. That's it. It's total revenue. So when you look at that, what you see is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different quarters. And here is the revenue for each quarter. For example, for the quarter 3, the total revenue is about 130 million. Yep, that's it. So it is the very first chart we have. Very simple. Guess what? You can easily move the chart around by click, hold, and move. You see? simply click on the chart and hold the left mouse and move around, you know. So the nice thing with Excel is that if you want to change anything, just click on it to see what happened, right? So we want to change the quarter level here, right? So click on it. Once you click on it, you see that the box here is highlighted, right? Yeah. So again, we want to turn 1, 2, 3 into the quarter itself. So click on it. Yep, it is highlighted. And then guess what? What should you do? Click. We left click. Now right click, you know. No other way. Right click. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Delete. We don't want to delete. Reset. No font size. No change type. No select data. Seems to be good. Green. Grid line. No, no, no. Okay. How about select data? Seems to be a good point to land at. Okay. Select data. Sorry. What over here in the select data? Let's take a few seconds to look at it and see where you want to change. There are two main sections. One, total revenue, and the other is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we want to change? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We want to change into the quarter. So let's click edit. Okay. And now it will give us a choice to select what we want. So here we select it and then hit OK. So it is right here. Yep. Okay, it is not really nice yet, but we know that we can include it, right? It is not really nice on the chart because the label here is too long, right? We can delete it to make it better, but it is a different story, right? So, but at least here it is. So I can increase the size. Oh, wow, it's just that. You can change the size of your chart and it look good right away. So you hold the mouse to the left here, to right here, drag it a little bit so it look good. Or you can go here to the design. Okay, so let me make the chart for two of them, total revenue and cost of revenue. The very first step is to select both rows, and then of course go to insert. I insert column. Very simple. I keep that simple. Okay. So here, Excel will not give us the title for a chart because it doesn't have any idea what should be the name of the chart, right? Okay. So let me change the X. Select data. Edit on 1, 2, 3. Select the range right here. Click OK. So here we go. Yep. Change the size. Okay. If I want to have a table below it, I go to Outlay, Data Table. Yep, here. So once I have it, I don't really need the legend stand separately, right? So I can delete it, or I can go to the design and select that one. And select that one. Somehow everything is gone, you know. So let me find something better. How about that? Don't like it. Layout, data table. Now chart title, because I changed the size, I changed the design, so the chart title show up. Of course, none of us want to have our chart title, just chart title, right? Simply type it in. So double click it, you see it is highlighted, and then click on the area. You see that now it turned into like some kind of words, you know. So you can WNT, sales, and cost of goods sold. That's it. Axis title, if you want, you can type it, otherwise just delete it. So over here, we have one. You can change. That's it. I don't know how much you like it, but if you don't, use something else. So over here, if you have to select this total revenue and gross profit to put in the same chart, so first of all, select total revenue, and then one hand, I mean the left hand, hold the control, the right hand just use the mouse to select the second row. Yep, and then go to insert column, whatever, here we got it, total revenue and gross profit. Yep. So you can select like many different row for in a different place, and you don't have to rearrange your data at all. To calculate growth, I copy the revenue and paste it on a different section. Copy, move here anywhere you want, right click, paste. So I have the growth. Oh no, sorry, the total revenue. Here's let me calculate revenue growth. Revenue growth equal to this quarter minus previous quarter divided by previous quarter. So here the trick, I start with the most recent 2 quarter. So the growth for July equal to, let me zoom in for you to see. The growth on July equal to sale of July divided by, minus, right? Sale of July minus sale of April and divided by sale of April, right? Yep. Okay. We may want to turn it into percent, right? Instead of 0 point something. So put it percent sale growth. Increase a few number after the decimal place. Okay, my question here is, after you calculate the first one, what will you do next? Yeah, hold and drag, right? Because, let me hold and drag for 1 quarter. So that one, the growth in April supposed to be April number minus January number and divide by January number. So it is right. You know what I'm saying? And we hold and drag. If you want to drag all the way to the end, there will be some kind of unavailable, because double click on it. You see that this cell carry no value at all. So Excel cannot help us to calculate anything. Yep, it is how we calculate the growth. So to show up that total revenue, you click on any of the bar here, and then on the keyboard move to the press the right arrow or left arrow, and then you see how it go from here to here to here to here to here. Now one more hit, you see that it goes, that area is highlighted, 1, 2, 3, that few dots is highlighted.
Don't have those dots at the bottom.
You don't have it? Really? And then, okay, right click, format data series, click on the secondary axis. Here we go, the red show up, but it look kind of weird, right? You want us to turn into line. Okay, click on it. I mean here, click on the red series highlighted. right click, change series data type. Okay, now you can change it. Yeah, it is. Okay, yes.